Workspaces and apps are a concept of Flowable design. Actually, apps you can also use in Flowable work, or you deploy them to Flowable work then later on, while workspaces are just a way to organize your apps in Flowable design. Now, looking at my Flowable design, I have several different workspaces in here. So far, we work mainly in my workspace where we have the 24 days of Christmas. Now, looking at the other workspaces, I have here different workspaces. For example, my secret workspace is a private workspace I just have permissions to. So when I look at the permissions that I, as an admin, I'm our owner for that workspace. When we look into another user, so here, for example, I'm signed in as a different user, so not admin, I don't see that workspace here at all. When we look at another workspace, which is here my private workspace, that is still private. However, we said here that we would like to have permissions, and the user Valentin is a reader. So that user can actually go ahead and read that workspace. So looking here at my private workspace and then a test, I can look here at different models, but that model here is read only, so I cannot change it at all. So we have the possibility to change here permissions as well. An interesting thing in here is actually when we look in that test app and our test case, that we have here referenced the shared process. And the shared process actually comes from my shared workspace. So you can even have a workspace which is shared between different workspaces as well. So that here is defined to be a shared workspace for my private workspace over here. And here you can configure the shared workspace as well. So you say available workspaces is going to be my shared workspace or the workspace which you would like to share. Now, you can also change the visibility then later on, so you could make that workspace now also public in case you would like to share it with everybody, or you can go ahead and say in the permissions that you also would like to share it with a group. For groups, you need to hook it up with Auth or something else that you can define those groups for your users.